Hey, what's going on, guys? I know it's been 4 months since the last video. I know I said all 2020 the videos are going to be returning, but I've been really busy with school. I'm on summer vacation now, so the videos are back. The market is bleeding right now. I guarantee your portfolio is super red, but that's okay because in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to make money in a bear market. The best investors make money when the market's going up, and they make money when the market's going down. Before I get into the content I have planned for this video, make sure you guys subscribe, like the video, and share this video with a friend. We're currently sitting at 362 subscribers. We're on the road to 500 subscribers, so make sure you guys blow this video up. And make sure you guys stay tuned because at the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you guys my personal banger options that I'm running this week for free. Remember, this video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my personal opinion, but my options usually hit. So make sure you guys stay to the end because if you guys want to make some nice money this week, this is the video for you. There's a lot of skeptics saying that this is not a bear market, but I have a couple things to show you and prove that this is a bear market. If we go here, we see that the S&P 500 is down 1,000 points since its peak this year on January 4th. That's over 20%. That's officially a bear market. We are in a bear market. If anyone tells you otherwise, they are lying to you. The market is bleeding right now. You see this past week, May 16th through the 20th, the S&P 500 is down 3.5%, the Dow is down 2.9%, and the Nasdaq is down 3.82%. The market is on fire, everything's bleeding. This is just more evidence that we're in a bear market. Reverse repos by the Federal Reserve hit $1.98 trillion, a new all-time high. Every day this week had highs, unbelievable. And by this week, I'm referring to May 16th through the 20th. This market is bleeding. Everyone's portfolios are in the red. Inflation is at an all-time high. Look at this, right? Did you guys know that in all 50 states, gas is above $4 a gallon? That's never happened in the history of the United States. JP Morgan predicts by the end of the summer, gas will be $6. You heard me right, $6 a gallon in all 50 states. That's never happened before. And you guys realize the minimum wage in the United States is still $7.25? Inflation is going crazy right now. Everyone is struggling. But don't you worry, the Bullish Bros are here to show you how to make money in this type of bear market. So, me personally, I'm running puts. If you guys don't know what puts are, they're pretty much bets that the market's going to go down. I'm running option puts. And I'm not gonna tell you specifically what puts I'm running, but I'm gonna be telling you what companies I'm running the puts on, and I'm gonna have evidence to back up why I think those puts will hit and why we will be printing so much money this week. So let's go to the charts. So here first, this is the first chart I want to show you guys. This is Ross. If you guys know what Ross is, it's a clothing store. It's currently trading at $71.87. It dropped 22% in one day. You heard me right, 22%. If you look here, it was trading roughly around $92 and it dropped all the way to a low of $69 in one day. That's the first chart I want to show you. Walmart is the second chart. You see here, Walmart was trading around $147 and it dropped all the way to $117. That's a $40 drop. The next chart I want to show you is Target. Target also dropped drastically. Target was trading around $214, then it dropped all the way to $155. That's over a $60 drop in the matter of a couple days. And you guys are probably wondering why. Why does these three retail companies all drop? And I'm going to tell you why. It's because of earnings. If you guys don't know what earnings are, usually a company has 4 earnings a year for each quarter, and they just tell you how the company is doing it. It's a report to tell you how the company performed in that quarter, and it's required by the SEC. So we see Target dropped, Walmart dropped, Ross dropped, all because they missed their earnings and because the market is just bleeding in general, they dropped drastically. Okay, so in the week of May 16th through the 20th, both Walmart, Ross, and Target had the earnings and they all missed their earnings. So, of course, they dropped. And as I said before, puts are bets that the market's going to go down or that specific stock is going to go down. So, what do we have for this upcoming week, the week of May 23rd to May 30th? If you guys see, on Monday we have Zoom, Tuesday we have Best Buy, and those are the two companies I'm running puts on. So I'm betting that this week both Zoom and Best Buy are gonna go down, just because I believe the market is in such a bad state right now, and also I believe they will miss the earnings. Why do I think Zoom is gonna miss its earnings? Because COVID is not, don't misconstrue my words. COVID is not dying. COVID cases are actually increasing, but people want to ignore it and focus on other things. So Zoom, less and less people are using Zoom. And if you actually look at the statistics, more people are using Microsoft Teams recently than Zoom. Best Buy, just because I showed you these stocks, I feel like all retail stocks this week are going to crash like Target did, Walmart did, and Ross. So that's why, in my opinion, I also think Best Buy will crash when the earnings come out. And I seriously think Best Buy is going to miss its earnings, and I also believe Zoom is going to miss its earnings. That's why I'm running these two puts this week, both with the May 27th expiration date. As I said, this is free. Usually you have to pay people to tell you what puts and options to run, but I'm giving this to you guys for free. Literally for free. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion on and what I've seen in the market and what I think is going to happen next week. Ross, Walmart, and Target all dropped. Retail stocks are dropping. Best Buy is going to drop, in my opinion. I'm running a put on Best Buy. I'm running a put on Zoom. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys share this video with a friend, because all 2022 we are making money no matter if the market's going down or if the market's going up. It's been the Bullish Bro. Peace.